Hi, welcome back to the channel HardReset.Info, and today I'll show you how to cancel Shein Club. So to cancel your Shein Club, firstly you need to open Shein on your device, then go to the Me tab in your bottom right corner and click the gear icon in your upper right corner. Then you need to select Manage My Account. And here, if you have subscription for this club, you will have the section named Shein Club. Then you need to select Shein Club, and then you'll see button Cancel Membership or Manage Membership. It depends on the version of your Shein. And then all you need to do is follow the prompts to confirm your cancellation. But if you have some problems with canceling membership, it is very advisable to contact Shein's customer service for some assistance. So that's it. I hope this video will help you. Please leave the thumbs up and consider subscribing to our channel. See you later. Bye bye.